di ba?
Kami sa may Mr. Chow.
More people not
Yeah.
coming.
Yeah.
I told you they're good.
Yeah.
Mr. Chow. Oh, isa mo. I'm crazy.
You keep looking, taking picture.
Because you like also,
No.
before you love taking picture. You're dancing.
No, because before I'm more crazy.
Yeah, me.
And
Now you're more so.
Remember before, I always ask you to take our picture.
Yeah.
And then I send it immediately to so many people.
Reels. Yes, you do. Reels.
You do your reels, right?
Every Monday.
Every month, every Monday,
Every Monday.
I dance, right?
Yes. Oh, why not? I'm doing this now for you.
Okay.
Yeah. And then I send you
Remember,
later.
every Monday,
Yeah, every
after exercise, go, dancing, in the back.
Yeah.
Okay, and Thursday I will do video for you. You dancing in Manila Group, okay?
Oh, no, I don't dance. I don't remember before why I dance. I just remember. I shower first.
Yeah. If you want to dance, you will copy.
Ayan.
Yeah. Yeah.
On Thursday, same, ma'am.
Same time.
Same time.
So you don't have to come super early. Anyway, we will work 5 o'clock. We can go. I will come back. Okay? Not 5:30. 5. The paper. Okay.
Certain people.
Eat. Oh, rice.
Mini jar.
Mini jar. Okay. Thank you. I will eat.
Bigay kay ma'am.
Sarap.
Hindi, bigay ko kay ma'am.
Aluin mo na. Wala pa yan.
Sarap.吃。我来先吃面一，吃。
Ma'am, o noodles.
可以啊。
好烫哦，小心哦。
我不会烫的。 Sarap.
Nasa ibabaw ng susit.
Hindi siya kakain ng kanin. Gusto dyan niya ito. Noodles. Okay?
好，你的 rice 来了
Kailo.
I don't want.
Ayaw niya magpupo kayo. Malalaman yung
Ayaw niya. Bahala ka mag-ano.
Makapunta rin ako ng China.
China. Try.
Okay, chicken. Thank you.
Welcome. Chicken.
Okay.
Which one your favorite naman?
So, isa na lang. May isa pa. Hindi kasali sa ano. Ayun. Kami naman ay ma'am. Vlog kami naman.
You like fat inside?
Yeah.
No wonder.